Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the cache on your Nintendo Switch, and this will clear up some memory for you and hopefully speed up your Nintendo Switch a little bit. So on the home screen here, let's go to System Settings. Then on the left, let's scroll on down, go to System. Then go right and scroll on down under here. And we want to go to where it says Formatting Options. Select this. And the top option is Reset Cache. Delete saved IDs and passwords, cookies, history, and other cached website data for each user. So we can go to this and select it and go to Close. And then it's going to say for which user. I'm just going to choose a user I don't use. Let's go to Jim right here. All of Jim's saved IDs and passwords, cookies, history, and other cached website data will be deleted. Once you delete the data, it cannot be recovered. Well, the data cannot be recovered. Do you want to continue? Let's go to reset. It says resetting and reset complete. So it'll happen pretty quick. And from there on out, you should be good. You might notice that your Nintendo Switch runs a little bit quicker once you do that or something. But hopefully this resolves your issue. If this video helped you out, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below. More technical videos coming up next time. YourSixTech.